Hi guys, we're here to check out Canon's latest PowerShot G7X Mark III. So let's see what I have inside. Camera itself, quite nice, silver top, black body. Battery, charging dock, and of course cable for a charger. So G7X Mark III. This has a 24-100 zoom lens, pretty decent range. Nice flippy screen, as you can see here, and the ability to do high-speed continuous shooting. It actually does up to 30 frames per second in RAW. If I can show you that. And that's as fast as your Sony A9, which is very impressive. But the most interesting thing about this guy is that it does live streaming directly from the camera itself. Connects to Wi-Fi, whichever Wi-Fi network you have, press the button, and you're good to go. So let's see how that works. Just press this button, quick live streaming, agree, connect to your internet, sure. And then the settings are all good, go OK. And we're good to go. Let's go. And there we go. We're live streaming from a single camera. Nice. And there you have it. Canon's PowerShot G7X Mark III. Small pocket camera that does live streaming straight from the camera itself. No need a headphone. All good. That's it for now. See you guys next time.